Reset the Ninja Foodi air fry oven to factory settings? Here's how. If your oven's acting weird, wrong temp, stuck settings, or inconsistent toasting, resetting it to factory defaults can help. This method clears all saved preferences and restores each mode to its original settings. Step 1. Lower the oven and power it on. Make sure the oven is in cooking position, not storage mode. Plug it in and press the power button once to turn it on. Step 2. Hold two buttons together. Press and hold both the time slice and temp darkness buttons at the same time. Hold them for 5 full seconds. The screen will blink or reset once it completes. After that, every function, from air fry to toast, will return to the factory time and temperature defaults. Step 3. Readjust any preferences. You'll need to reselect things like slice count or darkness level the next time you use toast or bagel mode. The oven won't remember your last used setting anymore, but this can fix glitches that started after power outages or incorrect program saves. If the reset doesn't solve the problem, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped get your oven back to normal, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your wall outlet's hard to reach or keeps cutting out, I've linked the low-profile surge protector I use below. It keeps your oven stable without wasting space. Thanks for watching, and hold both buttons.